Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Williams. This is part 2 of the literacy. The first video cut off a little bit early. We were working with our high frequency or sight words, and I'll go back to that in just a little bit. If not, I'll make another video to go over the next unit of words that you can practice. First, wanted to go over your workbook pages for this week, and it starts our week 4, and we'll be talking about what stories do you like. And so they're focusing on 2 different types of stories. We have realistic fiction and fairy tales. And so we have the realistic fiction for characters here, boy and a girl. Then we have a giant, and then we have the little girl for the fairy tale. Then for the setting, we have realistic fiction and then fairy tale. So think about and discuss with your family what characters are and what setting is. And characters are normally the people or animals in the story. Setting is where it takes place. And so be thinking about that. Also make sure for writing that you're practicing sounding out words to make sentences and drawing pictures to create stories. So maybe 3 times during the week you can practice creating your own stories. It could be a make-believe story or it could be a real story, something about you. We have the next page where it says, why do we like certain kinds of books? So think about why you like certain types of books. This is the plot. That means what happens. And it shows here in the realistic fiction what happens with the boy and the girl and with the fairy tale of what happens. So when you're writing a story, you add character, setting, and then plot of what happened. You'll write your answer here, and then parents, just remember your directions are at the bottom. But it's discussing this week fiction stories and why we like them and what kind do we like. Next, we have syllables with word parts. Also, we used to call them compound words. And so we have snow plus man equals, and then it would be snowman, and draw a picture of a snowman. Then we have base plus ball equals baseball, and then draw your picture. So these are putting 2 different words together to make a different word. Then we have the letter for this week is letter A. Remember, it's a vowel, so we have short A and long A. And I told the kids that when they see the letter E, that means that this will be long A. It'll just say A. If it doesn't, then you'll use the sound ah for A. On this page, you're looking for the ah sound in the pictures. For this one, it's going to be the A sound. So find, and it's 2 pictures per row. Then we have the ah sound, and you're listening for the ah sound, and you'll pick which 2 pictures. Then on this one, you have where we use the short A sound on this side, but then on this side, we're using the A sound, the long A, because we have the silent E or sneaky E changes the vowel to the long A sound, the A sound. So when you add E to this word, it changes to a new word. So make sure you practice those. You have pictures. You're going to look for different pictures. You're going to look for objects, people, animals, and circle them. You'll clap the syllable. You can make a sentence with the pictures also. And those are nouns, so you're looking for nouns. Then you have short A and long A to practice. And so on this one, you're going to review the sounds, and then you're going to trace the letters. Then after that, you're going to identify the middle sound. And it says if the middle sound is A, color it blue. If the middle sound is A, you're going to color it red. So when we have the ah sound like man, ah, 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 you're going to color each one blue that you find. Then when you have a, you're going to color it red. So you have to say each one of your word pictures slowly so you can figure out which color you need. Our focus for our sight words or high frequency words, we have away, give, little. Then you have sentences to practice. And then it says to underline the high frequency words. So look in the sentences and see if you can find the word away, give, little. You have the short A and long A. To practice, sound out your words. It gives you the picture. Try to sound it out, and then you'll practice writing your word 2 times. Then you have your story this week called The Bake Sale. Practice reading the story with your family, and then see if you can get to the point where you can read the story by yourselves. And maybe read it to a different person in your family. Then you have words to figure out. You have CVC words, and you have the CCV, VCV sounds. So you have different ones. Consonants or C's, vowels or V. Then you have some more sentences to practice. So make sure you're getting to the point where you can read these by yourself and be independent readers. Fiction is our story that we're focusing on. Fiction is a make-believe story. And then it goes over the character, setting, and plot. And let your family help you read the story. Here's a little chart that shows you what fiction, what's included in fiction. This is a fiction anchor chart, and then it's telling you what's included in fiction books and also in your writing. Then it gives you the vocabulary words. Then it has the story that you'll be working with called the best story. And it shows in your book the cloud, or it has the speech bubble, not the speech bubble, the thinking bubble. And so it shows them thinking. You can see the little dots. It shows their picture, their book on what they liked. So read through the story and then think about the adventures that the kids have with their books. Then you have here your vocabulary words that were in the story. It has a sentence and it has an empty blank for you to fill in. And they're calling these thought bubbles. So when you see the little cloud above their head, they're calling them thought bubbles. That's just what they're thinking about. So you have a few questions to answer, and then about the story, pictures, and then it has a few more pages for spelling, practicing the letter A and the sounds, and then it has also about the story, about what characters are. Okay, and then pronouns. So it has a few more things in there for you to do to practice with your writing. And then that's week 5. So when you get to that part, you'll stop, and that will be for next week. So we have lots of pages to cover this week. All right, so next we have our Rainforest Game. And I know you can't hear the volume, so I'm just going to I'll do the words for you. Let's see if this will work. There it goes. It's a little slow. All right, so we have cat that has the A sound. Then we have cake that makes the A sound. So we have ham, and then that goes there. A bag, B-A-A, goes there. This one's flame, flame. And earlier, man, an. Then we have and. So it sounds like the ah in cat. This one, the ah, ah, ah. Then we have rat, rat. And let's see what this picture is. Blade, blade is the A sound. And I'm not sure about this one. That looks like A's. A's. It's already there. Okay. Then we have, let's see what this is. Crane. Crane. And it makes that sound like cake. Let's see. Uh-oh. And that one. Dance. Dance. And. So that one's kind of a hard one to ants. Then cane. Cane. So on a few of those, you have to listen real carefully. Okay, so that was practicing. You can go back and go over the pictures so that you can make sure you understand or can hear the A sound and the A sound. Okay, next I have a few more words. Okay, and so I have a few more minutes, so we're going to do some more words. We have are, do, one, for, go, blue. Then we have that, you, to, 5, from, green. Then we have of, they, 3, here, yellow, what. So make sure and go back through the video to practice the words until you can remember them quickly. This one is for this 6 weeks. We have Unit 3. We have was, any, down, away, funny, going, said, come, her, give, were, no, where, play, how, little, some, live, or live. So those are words to make sure you're practicing, okay?